welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you to to show you how I set up my pole. So if you want to see a little bit about this, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I purchased me a pole from Amazon. I was interested in getting a pole after going to one of my friend's birthday party, and she had one, and I was like, oh my god, I need to get this. So I was able to get one off Amazon. I used a lot of the points that I had after purchasing a lot of the things like for Christmas. All those things, the points that gathered from that, I was able to transfer that to Amazon, and I was able to get me a pole. So if you guys want to see me assemble the pole, stay tuned. Alright YouTube, so I got me a new pole. I was inspired to get a pole from my friend, and went to her house one day. We had a party and I got a pole. So I decided to get the X pole. It comes with the instruction manual. The instructions say to read this manual completely before you open it or take everything out, or else if once you open it and you take everything out, you can't return it. So I've already read through it. I decided I want it, so here it is. It comes in a box like this. I got mine from Amazon. I had some points, so I was able to get some dollars off of it, so I was able to save a little bit. So just excuse me a little bit. I just came from the gym, so I'm not in YouTube professional deal, okay? So here we go. All right, so the first thing that comes in the X pole kit is the deal for this. Let me just see what I got here. Is this piece, and this piece is if I'm carrying it, to cover the big base, the top piece. We also get a carrying case for it. It comes with all these pieces. This is the A pole, the B pole, and then they also come with the extension pieces. Now I'm going to need the extension pieces because my ceilings are a little bit higher, so that's what. It also comes with the base. This is the base for the bottom, and then this piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to assemble these pieces, so stay tuned. it of me assembling a pole, it was fairly quick. I didn't really have to do too much, about maybe 30 minutes max, and that's from me watching the film on YouTube. They have a video. I can link the video below of how watching it, and it shows basically how to put the damn thing together. So I can screw the pole down and move it to my bedroom. I can move it to my living room. I can move the pole wherever I want to. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.